Right, so quickly I'm going to put some whiting on these tyres. So what you want to do is clean them first. So just give the tyre a little bit of a clean. You'll be surprised how much dirt gets on these. But just let it dry, won't take long to dry. And then all you want to do is just dab it. You probably have to do 2 coats. It normally goes on a little bit dark. The second coat comes on really nice. And normally by the time you've done both sides of the tyre, the first lot is ready to have another coat on anyway, so just take your time. I've gone through loads of these pens before. Some of them are really cheap and nasty. This one actually is cheap and nasty. So if you push too hard, it just spills out everywhere. Again, this is boring, so I'll probably just show you what it looks like afterwards.